Everything you've built is gone. Shattered. It's over. You stand in the wreckage of your own life, the dust of your dreams settling around you. The air is thick with the silence of failure. How did you get here? And more importantly, how do you ever come back from this? If you've ever felt this way, lost in the rubble, this is for you. We're not just talking about bouncing back. We're talking about rebuilding, stronger than before. It's just a moment, a single sharp intake of breath, the phone call you never wanted, the email that stops your heart, the reflection in the mirror of someone you don't recognize anymore. This is the moment of impact. The world you knew, the one you meticulously crafted, just vanished. The noise is deafening, a roar of failure that drowns out everything else. Your hands are shaking. Your mind is a frantic storm, replaying the scene, searching for an escape that isn't there. There's a single, cold thought that cuts through the chaos. This is rock bottom. Do you remember how it all started? That spark of an idea, so bright it kept you up at night. The excitement was a current running through your veins. You poured everything into it. Late nights became early mornings. You sacrificed weekends, friendships, sleep. You drew up the plans, laid the foundation, and brick by brick, you built. You saw the future so clearly, a shining city on a hill, and you were climbing, always climbing. You ignored the warning signs, the small cracks in the walls, because the dream was too big, too beautiful to doubt. You told yourself that effort alone could conquer anything. You believed in the hustle, in the grind, in the sheer force of your own will. And for a while, it worked. You felt invincible. Now, in the aftermath, the silence is the worst part. The world keeps moving, but you are frozen in the abyss. Days bleed into one another, a gray, formless blur. Getting out of bed feels like lifting a mountain. Every apathetic scroll on your phone, every cheerful post from someone else's life, feels like a personal insult. The grief is a physical weight, pressing down on your chest, making it hard to breathe. It's not just the loss of the thing itself, the job, the relationship, the project. It's the loss of the future you had tied to it. It's the crushing weight of disappointing yourself, of letting down the people who believed in you. You ask yourself, what was it all for? Was it all a waste? In this deep, dark place, hope feels like a cruel joke. Then one day, something shifts. It's not a lightning bolt. It's quieter. Maybe it's the warmth of the sun on your face as you finally step outside. Maybe it's a text from a friend who just checks in, no questions asked. Or maybe, in the depths of your despair, a new thought surfaces, not of what you lost, but of what's left. It's a tiny glimmer, a flicker in the darkness. You look at your hands, not as the instruments of failure, but simply as your hands. You start to separate the failure of the project from the failure of your person. They are not the same. You didn't fail. Your attempt did. And in that subtle distinction, a sliver of space opens up. Space to breathe. Space to be. This isn't a magical fix. The pain is still there. But for the first time, it's not the only thing. This is where the rebuild begins. It's not about recreating what you lost. That life is gone. This is about building something new on a foundation of hard-won wisdom. Start small. So small it feels ridiculous. Make your bed. Drink a glass of water. Go for a walk around the block. These aren't just tasks. They are declarations of intent. They are you, telling the universe you are still here. Now, grab a notebook. Don't write a plan. Just write. Write about the anger, the sadness, the fear. Get it out of your system and onto the page. Let the paper hold the weight so you don't have to. Reach out, not for advice, but for connection. Talk to one person you trust. Just one. Tell them you're having a hard time. You don't need them to solve it. You just need them to hear it. Slowly, deliberately, you are clearing the rubble, one small piece at a time. This isn't a race. The pace is your own. Now look at the horizon. It's different, isn't it? The sun is rising on a new day, and this isn't the same sun that set on your old life. This is a new dawn. The scars you carry are not symbols of defeat. They are maps. They show you where you've been and what you've survived. The fall didn't just break you. It broke you open. You are more compassionate now, more resilient, more aware of what truly matters. The superficial desires have been burned away, leaving an authentic core. The fear of failure, which once held so much power, has lost its sting. You've faced it. You've been to the bottom, and you found your way back. The person standing here today is not the same one who fell. You are wiser. You are stronger. You are not starting from scratch. You are starting from experience. This is your power. Embrace it. The next chapter isn't about avoiding the fall. It's about knowing you have the strength to rise again and again. Thank you for spending this time with me. If this story resonated with you, please consider subscribing and joining our community. You are not alone in this. And remember, your new beginning starts now.